Why should we hire you? Because you are hiring. You need some employee. Because others are quitting and you need new employees. In interview, generally interviewer asks this question. Please don't you repeat this answer. Hello everyone. Today in this tutorial, we'll explore and see some sample answers to this question. Why should we hire you? So please stay tuned with me till end. The reason behind asking this question means to gauge a candidate's self-awareness, their confidence level, and ability to articulate their strength and how they align with their company's needs. This question allows the interviewer to access several key aspects. Some are as follows. First, either they are fit for the role or not. It helps them to determine if the candidate understands the job requirements and how their skills and experience and their accomplishment make them a good fit. Second, value propositions. Interviewer wants to see if the candidate can clearly and convincingly communicate the unique values they bring to the company. Third, self-awareness. They test the candidate's ability to reflect on their career and identify what makes them stand out from the other applicants. Fourth, preparations. It reveals whether the candidate has done some homework on the company and role, demonstrating their genuine interest and commitment towards the company. Fifth, confidence and communications. It provides insight, some vision into the candidate confidence in their abilities and their communications skills, which are crucial in any job. When answering this question, it's important to keep in mind these points. Like, first, you can highlight relevant skills and experience you have. It means focus on the skills and experience that directly relate to the job. Second, show your enthusiasm. You can convey genuine excitement about the role and the company. Third, you must be very specific and concise in your answer. Use concrete examples to demonstrate your achievements and how they align with the company's role. Fourth, tailor your response. You have to practice your answer before the interview and customize your answer based on the job descriptions and company research. Here I am providing you a sample answer. You can mention some basic information according to your job role and experience. So the sample answer is, I believe I am excellent fit for this position because my extensive experience in, you have to mention here your relevant field, skills, whatever you have. Particularly in, you can mention the specific task or project here. At my previous job, you can mention the achievement, whatever you have, specific achievement, you can mention here. Which result in, you can mention here the positive outcome, whatever you have achieved. I am also very passionate about whatever the industry or role you are applying for that, you can mention here. And I'm excited about the opportunity to bring my expertise to, you can mention the company name, and contribute to the specific company goal or project. So this is for all today. Hope you like my video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more useful content. Keep watching and learning.